backstage to get the inside scoop to our exclusive interview with Jewel. So the album's Sweet and Wild. You created actually 2 versions.
But I wanted to share with people what I do when I'm just solo acoustic.
This is the moment that we have all been waiting for. Thank you for joining us here tonight. Mary J. Blige is going to take the stage in just a few short minutes.
The funny thing is I don't see a single pair of flat, sensible shoes in your collection.
I'm not gonna lie to you, Diane. I like it.
The original supermodel, Twiggy, is here. What was that like being on America's Next Top Model?
You think about that album, My Life, you know how it starts with Mary Jane, and then you go down and you get to My Life, and then you go even further down into the album, and there's I'm Going Down. Why My Life? Why that particular song and that particular album and that time in your life, 1994? What was it?
The My Life album was one of the most personal albums.
Whether it's on A-list celebrities on the runway, whether it's on the catwalk at New York Fashion Week, you and James worked so hard to bring the world the latest trends.
Thank you. You look gorgeous.
Well, thanks to you. I'll take the compliment from Mark Badgley.
The fall fashion series presented by Elle Magazine continues this week, this time with an online twist.
So we got you out of your scrubs. You're not going to be Dr. Montgomery today.
No.
You're just going to tell us about all your boyfriends.
I'm going to tell you about my boyfriend.
You come across so much as, you know, a real girl, you know, want to be girlfriends, let's go out, let's go shopping, have fun. For people who watch HSN all the time, I know they're going to be hitting me on Facebook later saying, so what's she like?
Really? We're just getting started here. 10 years is only the beginning.